Yeah, sure, okay, your average shampoo can wash your hair and keep it clean, but doesn't contain ingredients that will actually help your hair grow more and also give you a nice scent that will last all day. Because this one totally does. My favorite thing about this shampoo from Dandymen is that it features tea tree oil, which studies have shown time and time again is able to very effectively remove dead skin cells from your scalp, keep your scalp clean, and allow your hair to stay moisturized and grow at its natural rate. This is also the only shampoo I've ever seen that's scented with tobacco and vanilla, which gives you this really nice and manly smelling scent in your hair, and it almost makes you feel like I don't need to use cologne. So try out some of the shampoo for yourself. I think it's going to become one of your new favorites too.